Happy Halloween, everybody!
Happy Halloween.
This is Diaz.
And Patricia.
So, as you can see, guys, the theme today is Halloween, and we are so excited to talk to you about how to create the perfect Halloween party. So first of all, let's get brewing some scary magical teas. So, as you can see, guys, we have got such a big spread on here for you guys, and we're going to talk to you about some of the food that we've cooked today, also some of the teas that you can drink with some of the foods that we have here, and also in some instances we've actually used tea as an ingredient, which we're going to talk to you about. I'm so excited to share this with you guys. So first of all, what we're going to do is prepare the beautiful mallow tea. So I hope you can all see what's happening. But it's turning blue. It is Halloween after all, so we have to pull out a little bit of a magic trick. So guys, this is the mallow tea, which is from Nizani tea. Now that's an absolute natural reaction. So basically the flower has an antioxidant that responds to the water and extracts all of the colour out of the flower into the water, and this is why it turns blue. So, there you go guys, that's the mallow tea, and I'll be talking to you a little bit later about what we're going to be pairing that with. So, first of all, let's talk about tea as an ingredient. So, everybody has seen matcha brownies, matcha pancakes, you know, matcha is everywhere. So, as well as drinking matcha, it also makes for a wonderful ingredient, especially for desserts. So, what I'm going to do today is very quickly show you something that we've made earlier. So, I hope you can see this, but this is a beautiful matcha that we've already got made here. And this is from the Tea Makers of London. So literally I've just whisked up the matcha, it's all ready to go. And this matcha is actually going to be going with this beautiful black currant meringue. However, there's one ingredient that needs to go into this matcha before it can make an appearance on the meringue, and that is white chocolate. Thank you, Patty. So here I've got a bowl of melted white chocolate that I've just added some double cream to, just to give it a bit of looseness and that luxurious colour as well. So here we go, that's the matcha. I've just literally mixed in the white chocolate into the matcha, guys. Oh my god, this just looks absolutely incredible. I'm not sure if you can actually see that there, but that's what it looks like with the white chocolate. And quite simply, guys, you know, there's no correct style to do this, but we are going to pimp out this meringue. Wow! Oh my god, I am so excited to have this, Patricia. Okay guys, so that's one thing. So what I'm also going to do, guys, is I'm going to make a very quick sauce in front of you, actually using tea. So some of the food that you see here, myself and Patricia, we've been cooking for the last, how many hours, Patricia?
Like 5 hours.
Only feels like it's been 2 days, but anyhow, we're going to share all of the recipes for everything with you guys in our blog, but we're going to make a few things in front of you that are nice and quick and easy. It won't take us forever in front of the camera, but I'm going to first of all make you a pu'er tea dipping sauce. So if you give me a second, I'm going to get all of the ingredients that I need, and I'll be back in a flick. Hey guys, we're back. So we're going to make a beautiful dipping sauce today, and this dipping sauce can actually be used for prawns, it can be used for vegetable crudités, it can be used for chicken. It's a lovely, delicious, Asiatic inspired dip, and what I'm actually going to use is a beautiful gourmet luxury pu'er tea to actually create this dip. So this pu'er is by a company called Tea Spec, and they have this lovely Opus raw pu'er sachets, which we've actually used today. Now what I've done is I've actually brewed this for around about, it's been brewing for 6 hours, and I've actually just brewed this in a very small quantity of water, because what I want is that intense, smoky astringency that you get from the pu'er to actually come through in the sauce. So I've got some ingredients here. It's a very, very quick sauce. I've got fish sauce, I've got soy sauce, of course, the tea spec pu'er tea. I've got a wedge of lime and some chili. So quite simply, what we're going to do is, we'll use this jar here with the fish sauce in. So in goes the pu'er tea. Wow, already the fish sauce, the smokiness of the pu'er, it's so aromatic, guys, so tasty this sauce is. Here we go, here's some soy sauce now. In with the soy sauce, a squeeze of lime, a handful of chilies. Now I'm going to use my hands here, definitely wash them after. And Patty, can we have a tablespoon of date syrup just to give it a bit of sweetness? If you want to just pass that to me, I'll do it over here. Thank you so much. So we've got some date syrup here, guys. You can use agave, you can use honey, you can use any sweetener you like. But I like date syrup because it's natural. It's dates are good for you as well. And there you go, our very own pu'er infused dipping sauce. That's going to be absolutely delicious, guys. So, here we are. We have a party celebration for Halloween. What we'll do for you actually is talk to you about the various components on the table, and then if you don't mind, you're going to have to leave us alone because myself and Patricia are dying to dig in, right Patty? Okay, we're going to stuff ourselves. So, let's start off with the teaware, okay? So, who's a Disney princess at heart? Or who's a Disney villain at heart? We wanted to get these beautiful Disney-inspired teawares for our very own Halloween party, and we've chosen the Ursula and the Maleficent, which I'll show you in a minute, just because they're a little bit dark and evil, and it is Halloween after all. So these are designed and created by a company called the English Ladies Company, and they actually work with Disney and create the most magical luxury teawares, and we just had to get them involved. What you'll also see are some of the figurines over in the far corner. So we've got a beautiful Maleficent figurine and a beautiful Ursula figurine as well, just to decorate the table with a little bit of evil magic, as you can appreciate. But first of all, let's pour some tea. So where is the mallow tea actually? Thank you. So look what's happened to the mallow tea, guys. So it started off blue and now it's gone transparent, which means it's ready to drink. So all of the antioxidants have now actually absorbed into the liquor and it is ready to drink.
I think that one's for me.
Absolutely, Patty. There you go. So this one is for you. There you go.
Thank you.
I actually prefer Maleficent anyway, more than Ursula, so I'm going to go and get the Maleficent cup. But guys, I mean, how beautiful are they? So you've got the cup, you've got the saucer, you've got a secondary saucer as well. You've got the beautiful logo and design outside of the cup here. And then also in the inside of the cup, you've got a beautiful image of Maleficent. And actually, these cups come in Jasmine, they come in Belle, they come in Elsa, they come in Mary Poppins, Mickey Mouse even, so there's something for everybody.